Hi there, Charles Hunter with Sashco. I'm going to talk to you about our Slab product. Is your driveway cracked? Is your sidewalk cracked? Why haven't you repaired it? Because it's a pain, right? You got to get the powders, you got to mix it all together, and inevitably, it's going to fail again. That's where Slab comes in, and that's why it is such a great solution. Not only is it textured to mimic the look of your concrete, it's also flexible and it's also elastic. So it's a long-lasting repair that's gonna expand and contract with your concrete, with your driveway, with your sidewalk. So you're not gonna have to do it again. It's simple, it's water-based, it's super easy to use. It actually has a lifetime warranty like all of our Sashco products. You can even use Slab around your steps because it'll work vertically as well. And it is a paintable product as well. Slab is really gonna save you time and it's gonna solve your problem. You're really gonna like this one.